5 creator income streams that made us thousands and thousands of dollars. And I can still not believe this is possible. So the creator economy is growing each year. It's definitely possible to make a living in it right now, especially if you're an expert in your niche. For example, if you're an expert in video editing, in fashion, in tech, whatever niche it is, if you have enough knowledge about your topic, you are an expert and you should share this with the world. For us, it is Apple. So brand AppleDsign recently reached 5 million followers on Instagram, 1 million on TikTok, and now 350,000 on YouTube as well. Now I will tell you about our 5 income streams and I will rank them accordingly from low effort to high effort. And this will give you a little bit of an idea of how monetization works in the creative space. Let's go. Number 1, ad revenue. This is with regards to the platform that you are using. YouTube and Facebook for us. YouTube ad revenue works as following. Every time you click on a video, mostly long form YouTube videos, you will be presented a pre-roll ad. This can also be a mid-roll ad. These advertisers pay YouTube, but also a small portion to the creator, and this can pile up to make a big portion in total. And in the YouTube land space, they call this RPM, rate per mil. This is a specific rate that you get for 1,000 views on your videos. But it's not easy in the beginning. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to be eligible in the YPP, the YouTube Partnership Program. This is more for creators that are already a bit more established in the YouTube landscape, but can be very interesting in the long run. What I've also noticed in the last months and years with regards to YouTube ad revenue, this can fluctuate a lot. Some months are a bit more high paying, other months can be really low paying. So you should not really rely on it that much. So yes, it can be lucrative as a creator on YouTube, but there are other ways that are potentially far more interesting, especially as starting creators. We've been doubling down our YouTube ad revenue each year and some months even higher than that. But with AppleDsign, this is something we believe in the long run, because YouTube is a marathon, it's not a sprint at all. And recently we've also been eligible for the Facebook Partnership Program or Meta AdSense, and this is also paying a couple $100 a month, but this is not really reliable for the moment. We don't focus on it too much. On the scale of effort, yes, this is definitely for us a low effort income stream. Next one, affiliate deals. Affiliates or affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy used by brands for individuals such as content creators or influencers to promote products or services of that brand, and in return get a percentage of the sales. Basically, you earn a commission for each sale, lead or action generated through your referral. And you often see this under YouTube videos in the descriptions or in the descriptions of certain Instagram posts or bios. This can be a link to a product or software. I've seen some creators making thousands and thousands of dollars with this. If you're such an expert in a specific niche or software and you have an affiliate deal with that brand or company, then yes, people are gonna buy the product anyway, so they can better buy it from you, so you can also earn a little commission. So you should definitely buy from your favorite creators. For us, affiliate deals are not the biggest piece of the pie, but slowly on they're also compounding, which makes it interesting. So when we promote a product or a service for a company, and therefore it is for us a low effort income stream, which makes total sense. We're not promoting it too much, we just put it sometimes in the descriptions of videos or on our Instagram or TikTok. Next, the most important income stream for us, brand deals and partnerships. This is not only for us a big piece of the pie, I think for many creators it's one of their main income streams at this day and age. What a partnership basically is that you promote a service or product in your videos. With regards of Instagram, this is a little bit different than with regards to YouTube with your long form content. Instagram, it's a short video that's specifically dedicated to a service or a product, and in YouTube you can transform this in different kind of integrations. This can be a 30-second integration, this can be a 60-second integration, this can be a fully dedicated video to that specific product or service. And for Instagram and TikTok, this is often a full dedicated video. And what we've learned over the years is to try to partner with brands that resonates a lot with you. So for us, these are, for example, iPhone cases, apps, gimbals, tech products, storage, but this can be different for anyone. It just depends in which niche you are in. However, I know that in the beginning, this can be a headache. You're a small creator and you want to work together with your favorite brands. Obviously, this is not possible in the start and you have to be aware of that. As we also had to do in the beginning, you have to partner up with certain brands you are not aligned with at first and promote their product. But always try to be honest to your community and respect the fact that they're viewing your videos. What I also learned recently is that you don't always have to promote a product that you want to use yourself. I always had that vision that I have to promote products that I want to use, but there are people in our community that really wanted to use those products and not necessarily products that I want to use. So yes, sometimes you can promote a product that you're not using, but can really be interesting to the people of your community. For me, this was hard to understand, but when I saw certain sales of promotions that we did, I was blown away. And so brand partnerships for us are a medium effort income stream. And the reason for this is that we still have to make the videos, we have to film, edit, but eventually when the video has been made, it's on the platform. We got an agreement with the brand. It just stays on the platform and still gives visibility for the brand or the company you're working with. Next up, 2 high effort income streams of AppleDsign. First of all, digital products. Think about templates, e-course, apps, all these kind of products you can sell to your community. And we've made already more than 5 figures with some of our products. For us, the 2 most interesting ones are apps and wallpapers. Actually, the wallpapers we have been developing, 90% of them are free for our community because we think you have to give back to the community because they're also investing their time to watch your content. So we respect that and we want to give away a part of our products to the community. And that is what we do with our wallpapers. Check them out in the description. Feel free to download a couple of them. And again, 90% of them, they're just free. And another interesting one I just mentioned also are apps. Over the last years, we've been creating multiple apps and we promote them once in a while to our audience with the help of stories or reels, not specifically in long form videos. They've generated us a fair amount of income. This is something nowadays that we are exploiting more and more and can be really interesting to us in the future because we have just such a big community of 5 million people. This is a high effort income stream. We really have to make the product, the apps, and we have to actively promote those. So yes, that's why it's for us a high effort income stream. But once they are made, they can make a lot of money. The other high effort income stream is freelancing or services. Yes, selling your creative endeavors, your creative services can be very interesting. Think about video editing, web design, scripting, maybe filming, posting for specific brands, creating thumbnails. The possibilities are literally endless. And with regards of services, think about speaking on events, coaching and consulting. And what we recently found out is also workshops. Yes, this is what we recently did with one of our favorite brands. We did a workshop with regards of their content strategy. We learned a lot, they learned a lot, and it was really worth our time. Yes, freelance and services are high effort because you just put in 100% of your time and you get back 100%. You just get paid per hour or per project. That's why it's a high effort income stream. So those are the income streams for the moment with regards to our brand AppleDsign. I hope this sparked a bit of an idea if you want to exploit your monetization as a creator. Make sure to follow both AppleDsign and our behind the scenes creator channel and keep creating consistently. Peace.